The S&P 500 jumped over 8.5% over the past 2 weeks. Here's a recap of everything that's been happening. The Federal Reserve increased interest rates by 0.25% last week and anticipates around 6 more rate hikes this year. Meme stocks popped off this week after Ryan Cohen announced his company purchased another 100,000 shares of GameStop. Oil prices rose after the CPC pipeline was disrupted by a storm, which may take up to 2 months to repair. The pipeline carries around 1.2 million barrels of oil per day, accounting for 1.2% of global demand. The European Union wants to become less dependent on Russian gas, as 45% of its imports are from Russia. The US agreed to work with its international partners to provide at least 15 billion cubic meters of natural gas to Europe this year to help with their transition. Weed stocks popped off after Congress announced they will be voting on legalizing marijuana next week. Before investors get too excited about being back in a bull market, just remember that high inflation, rate hikes, and a war in Ukraine are still present and can still get worse before it gets better.